Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Tricolor replaces Union Jack. Question number 1. The Union Jack was the flag of answer option B Britain. Question number 2. The Indian national flag was adopted on answer option A 22nd July 1947. Question number 3. The tricolor symbolizes answer option B Indian sovereignty. Question number 4. The Constitution of India came into force on answer option B 26 January 1950. Question number 5. The Constitution Assembly was formed in answer B 1946. Question number 6. The chairman of the drafting committee was answer option B Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Question number 7. The Constitution declared India to be a answer option C sovereign democratic republic. Question number 8. The preamble begins with the words answer option C we the people of India. Question number 9. The Quit India movement was launched in answer option B 1942. Question number 10. The Quit India movement was launched at answer option C Bombay. Question number 11. The leader who gave the slogan Do or Die was answer option C Mahatma Gandhi. Question number 12. The Quit India movement is also known as answer option C August movement. Question number 13. The Quit India resolution was passed on answer option A 8th August 1942. Question number 14. After the partition in 1947, what was the final strength of the Constitution Assembly? Answer option B 299 members. Question number 15. Who was appointed as the chairman of the drafting committee on 29th August 1947? Answer option D Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Question number 16. How many sessions did the Constituent Assembly hold over a period of 2 years and 11 months? Answer option B 166 sessions. Question number 17. On what date was the Statue of Unity inaugurated to mark the 143rd birth anniversary of Sardar Patel? Answer option C 31st October 2018. Question number 18. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was famously known as answer option B the father of Indian Constitution. Question number 19. Which title is attributed to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel for his role in unifying India? Answer option B Iron Man of India. Question number 20. Which of the following states initially resisted accession into India? Answer option B Hyderabad, Junagadh and Kashmir.